Miradore offers different integrations to save you time and resources while reducing the risk of human error when it comes to the tedious task of data entry. Benefit from the automated Google Workspace user sync to keep your data up to date and simplify the user assignment. As you can see, we already have 5 users, but we want to add additional users from Google Workspace. Navigate to System, Integrations, and select the Google Workspace integration. In the General tab, you can select Authentication type. Choose between OAuth 2.0 and Service Account. In our example, we'll choose OAuth 2.0 and leave the advanced settings as is. Note that using OAuth 2.0 based authentication relies on the email address of the Google Workspace's admin user. We recommend creating a company-owned account for this purpose. Click the Sign in with Google button to sign in with your Google Workspace admin account. Allow the Workato integration to access your Google Workspace account to continue with establishing the connection by clicking Allow. Your Miradore account is now integrated with your Google Workspace admin account, as signified by the banner. Open the Workflows tab to edit the filtering options if you do not wish to import all users. We'll click on Enable Workflow and Use Filtered Sync to import only specific users which are users of Lead IT Corp and members of the Lead IT Corp group. Set the drop-down filter type to Group, enter your group email address, and add the org unit path to your query filter. Proceed by clicking on Test Filter. Our filter has been verified, and we are ready to import 2 users which match our filtering criteria. Switching to the Users section, we can now see the 2 users which have been imported.